To get started, you want to arrange your threads in colour order. So I've got pink, red, black, orange, black, yellow, black, green, purple and blue. For row 1, you want to work all forward knots, and you want to work all forward knots for all your rows until the colour that started in position 1, which for me is pink, is in position 9, which is second from the right. For row 2, you want to skip the first and last threads but keep doing the forward knots for your entire row. And for row 3, just keep doing your forward knots like you have been doing for the other rows, and just keep repeating forward knots for every row until the colour that started in position number 1 is in position number 9, which should be second from the right. And once you've done these rows, you should have the thread that started in position 1 in position 9. So next you want to do forward backward knots across your row. For your next row, ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do all backward knots. And for your next row, again, you want to be doing all backward knots, and you want to keep doing backward knots for every row until the thread that was in position number 1 is in position number 4. So for me, that's pink, but for you, it could be any other colour. So once you've got your thread into position number 4, you want to do your next row by working all backward forward knots. And from here you want to repeat the rows where you worked all forward knots until you get your pink into position number 9 again, or whichever thread colour it is for you. And once you get your pink thread back into position number 9, you want to do all forward backward knots across the row. So next you want to do all backward knots across your row, and you want to keep doing that until you've got your pink thread back into position number 4. And you want to keep repeating the knotting sequence to get from position number 4 to position number 9 and back again until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've just finished with 2 simple braided tie-on ends, but you could finish however you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.